Stir very well. Stir very well until all the animal this thing decompose. Stir very well. This is stir
Fantastic.
very well. Stir very well. Stir very well. You stir the animal dropping inside the water. Stir it very well. Because this is going to be the food for our vegetables. And you will see how they will thank you for giving them the right food you suppose give them. You are still stirring. To remove, you are going to still filter them, but now let's remove all this stick. You stir very well. Stir very well. If you have charcoal, you can break the charcoal and drop the charcoal inside. We are going to do a video on that. How to use charcoal and animal dropping to supercharge your garden. The vegetable will thank you for that. The charcoal, the reason for the charcoal is that it will grow microbes, cause the microbes to grow very well. You know what microbes can do? They break down, they do decomposition will be very fast. And once they are decomposed, all those dead leaves and other things that need to be decomposed, once they decompose, it will add to as a manure to your plants. Stir very well. You see have some. Stir very well. This is the tea that your plant will drink, and they will thank you very much. You can see I'm breaking all those all the droppings that are very strong. Stir very well. It's not tea for man, for you, but it is tea for your plant. And I know your plant will thank you for it. Compost tea. You stir very well. This is how to make compost tea. This is a secret that nobody will tell you. All these gardeners and farmers, they may hide it from you, but me, on this channel, I will never hide any secret for you, because as your garden is flourishing, I'm very, very happy. I will take happiness in it. So I don't have any secrets to hide from you. You stir very well. Stir very well. This is our tea, the tea for your vegetable. We are still stirring. It has not broken down enough. You have to break all the droppings. Break the droppings enough for it to break the dropping. I can see that this thing is not well mixed. We still have some strong droppings here that needs to be broken down. That is what I'm doing now. I'm breaking them down. It will become tonic. This water is tonic to our vegetable that are just sprouting. Before you know, the vegetable will thank you. We will be very happy because you have given them the correct food that they need. These animal droppings will decompose. We become nutrients, and its main, just like a a natural fertilizer. Nitrogen is very, very important for a very for vegetables because of the leaf. So this compost, I mean this compost tea contain high value or volume of nitrogen that will make your vegetable have green leaves that customers or you as the owner of the garden will like. You can see we are breaking, stirring it the more so that we can break more of the animal droppings that are very strong. You might not you might not understand what we are doing now until when we start applying it on our vegetables. You will see in weeks the vegetable will come up very strong and the leaf will be very okay. So this is compost tea. What many gardeners will hide from you, what experts will not want you to know. That is for, see, in fact, for free. You are I'm teaching you. Please share this video. If you have your friend that have garden that they are that the vegetables or other plants they are dying away, gardening require patience. Just share this video, give that your friend, let him watch and see what happened, how he can revive all those dead plants. And if you have a garden by yourself or you have the garden and you want your vegetables or other plants to grow well, this is the secret. Like the video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, this is opportunity to subscribe because we keep teaching you tricks. Next time you may see us using ash and compost to subcharge the soil. That is what we know to do to be sure that your plants look fine. The tea need to brew, so it cannot just brew one day. In 2 to 3 days time, we will come here again under this shed and see what we have done. It is after then that we can apply to our vegetable. So we have to cover it. The reason for covering is to prevent dirt and other things that can contaminate our. You see, you can't use anything anyhow to cover it. You have to use something that hair can penetrate into this. If you cover it with something that hair will not penetrate, then the heat, I mean the nutrients inside it will die. You are just like killing the nutrients you are trying to put into the system, the plant. So just cover lightly, cover like this with so that hair can still penetrate. Leave it for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, we'll come back here again. It will have bruised, fermented, and we can use it. And in a week time, you will see your plants improving. If you enjoy this, if you enjoy this composting secrets, give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Next time we are going to talk more about surcharging your soil for soil amendment. Until next time, see you. Bye for now.